Good morning, Cebu. Good morning, Cebu. We are here at Cebu International Airport. I'm going to Davao City. Flight ko mamaya mga siguro. Medyo delay lang konti eh. Ang Cebu pala ng airport here ay parang mall. Ayun, dami mga
Attention please for a gate change.
Travel Free, Beauty, Cultura, Nomad,
to Manila Ninoy Aquino
Adidas.
International Airport will now
Ayan.
depart from gate 3.
Para siyang mall. Ayan, may mga watches here. Cultura, mga souvenir items here in Cebu City. And
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cebu Pacific Flight 584 to Manila Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We firstly invite all passengers and passengers travelling with infants or young children to come forward for boarding at gate 3. All other passengers are kindly requested to remain seated for the moment at gate 3. Please have your boarding pass and ID or passport ready for inspection. On behalf of the
meron din tong bar. So mag-inom. Ayan oh. Merong mga bendo, soft drinks and mineral water, and my sandals here, Crocs. And also we have bench here, sunglasses, ATM, tsaka yung pang massage chair, bench. Island Souvenir Cebu, mga souvenirs sa Cebu, dyan mo lahat mabibili. Nomad, may Jollibee doon, Fiesta, Travel Free, mga biscuits here, dami. Baby Child Walker. Para ka talagang nasa mall. Ito mga chocolate naman. Jollibee and chocolate here. Ito Lechon Cebu. Mga chocolate. Chupa chup chup mamwa. Ayan. Super daming mga nabibili rito bago ka lumipad. May restaurants. Ibang klaseng restaurants here magkakasama. Chiquera, Jollibee, Kusina di Sugbo. Ayan. Mahaba talaga. Beauty Bar, District Fiesta, para ding mga souvenirs and chocolates and biscuits here. Mga sa ATM here. Isa rest and go. Massage here also. Beauty bar, snacks bar. Have here a smoking area. Yan, punta ka dyan, smoking area dyan. Ito mga souvenirs. Yan dami. CR here. Nagkat na mga CR. Doon may 3 CR lang na daanan. Ayan naman. Mahaba talaga. Ito, coffee shop. Coffee. The Spa Cebu. May spa pa dito. Ayan. Yan, this is the line. This is the end of the line. Ayan. Madaling araw na kasi kaya medyo wala masyadong tao. 4 AM ang flight going to Davao. Ayan po. Thank you so much. Good morning, Cebu. Going to Davao City.